Sigur R and 243 S indicted on new tax evasion charges. Members of have been charged with new counts of tax evasion, the reports and Pitchfork can confirm. According to document, the new charges are being levied against the band by local authorities as opposed to the Icelandic government. The current indictment, in a statement shared with Pitchfork, Sigur RS said. Individual tax returns for the members of Sigur RS in Iceland have been under investigation for 2011-2014. Last December, Jarnfridur Olafsson of Logos Legal Services added. The members of the band are musicians and not experts in bookkeeping or international trade, let alone delivering tax returns and related data. That is why they hire. According to the new charges, assets belonging to the four members of Sigur RS, including houses and apartments appraised at $6.5 million total, will remain frozen while the tax case is pending trial. A court date has. This article was originally published on Thursday, March 28 at 8:30 p.m. Eastern.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.